Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to talk about some of the things that I got on my New York City trip. I'll just talk about the two things I got from Inglot first. I got some of the Inglot Duraline, I don't know how to say it. It comes in this glass tube and you add it to your makeup and it's supposed to make it waterproof and it's supposed to help if you have shadows or cream products to like bring them back to life. And I also got a navy cream liner. Yeah, it's just kind of hard to find. We walked the wrong way down Times Square, but it is right around Times Square if you're looking for the Inglot store. And this is color 99. I don't know if the shade name AMC, let's see. On here, Amc Eyeliner Gel Liner, it's number 99. But I really like that it has like this tin foil on it. I've never seen that before. That's pretty cool. I didn't want to open it until I actually use it. But it's like this pretty navy color. And they are super nice. And they're like, I was looking around and two girls asked me if I needed help within the first 10 minutes. And I was kind of in and out because we had to get back. We saw Aladdin on Broadway, so we had to walk all the way back on the other side. But the main store that I went to that this video is about is Innisfree. It actually just came to Sephora in the last couple weeks, but I think they have 1 to 3 stores in New York City, and I wanted to go to an actual Innisfree store, and I joined their program. It's free for their online program, and you get a bunch of free stuff. And I think you only get this if you go in store, so I highly recommend waiting until you can go to the store to get all the free stuff. And it has the different membership points. Membership points, you get 3 points reward for every $1. You can sign up online, but I tried to sign up the morning of before I was going, and she said the system, it didn't let me sign up, so she ended up signing up for me. She said the system's been kind of glitchy. And she gave me a 15% off coupon, but unfortunately you can only use this in store. So if anyone's in New York City and wants this, I can mail it to you because I don't know the next time I'll be back. And this is the little welcome kit that you got. And a $200 purchase within 1 year, you get bonus points of 500 points for an upgrade. Registration is free. You get memberships gift, which is this welcome kit, and you also can get a birthday kit and a green VIP gift. And they have special benefits. You get a bite-sized beauty bar on deluxe samples, 30, 50, 70, double points on your birthday and a green holiday. And then, oh, they recycle too. Empty bottle recycling, 1 bottle equals 50 points, and you can do a maximum of 5 in a month. And let's see what I got in here. I got a bunch of free stuff. I think if you spend over $35, you got some trio sets, so I'll show that in a second. And it said, welcome to Innisfree. And I got basically a little packet. This has the mask, the serum, intensive hydrating serum, the eye cream, and the hydrating cream for the face and the eye. And this is all with the green tea line. And I was actually interested in this, but I ended up buying the lavender line, but I got a bunch of free masks too. And I got an intensive hydrating serum with green tea seed. I got a pore clearing clay mask. I actually bought the mask, so this will be good for travel. A youth enriched cream with orchid. I bought that too. A dewy glowy jelly cream with cherry blossom, and a brightening and pore sleeping mask. And I bought a ton of masks here too. I kind of went mask crazy because I live in the middle of nowhere and we don't have any good stores. Like my closest Sephora is near my work, like 46 miles away, so. And I've been wanting to try their hand cream. I tried some of this yesterday. It smelled really good. This, I believe this is mango, tangy, refreshing. Oh, tangerine. It says Jeju Life Perfumed Hand Cream, but it's kind of a small. I just thought it would be good to have for work and everything. And I got a fermented soybean bio-cellulose mask for hydrating. It says it has 5 effects: moisture, visual elasticity, transparency, moisture barrier, skin barrier. I think this was like $6 to $8. I can't remember. And oh, I can read everything at the end. Here's my receipt. And I got my Real Squeeze mask. And it has ginseng, moisturizing, nourishing, cream type. So it's cream type mask. That's interesting. And it says this rich cream type mask enriched in abundant nourishment from ginseng makes tired skin look moisturized and healthy. So I like that. Oh, I did get 2 free things. I got these 2 items for free because I spent over like, I can't remember if it was 35 bucks, but I got the trio set of the Orchid Serum, Cream, and Eye Cream. And then I got the Hydrating trio set for the Jeju green tea. This is the cleansing water, serum, and eye cream. And this is the stuff that I actually went in for and wanted to try. I thought these were so cute, the masks and the little things. I know I've seen these at Target before. I think these were $3. And this is the Capsule recipe pack with green tea moisturizing sleeping mask. And it's 0.33 fluid ounce. And I got a couple of those. And I got a Capsule recipe pack with rice replenishing sleeping mask. And is this the same one as, no, this one's different. And this one just says Capsule recipe pack sleeping pack, and it has a picture of bamboo on it. And I got the Orchid Eye Cream. I've heard very good things about this and the face creams for the winter, so I really need a good, I'm tired of spending over $100 on my Shiseido night cream, so I'm hoping that this is a good replacement. And it's just a youth enriched cream with Orchid. It's supposed to be really moisturizing. It said with this extraordinary ability to endure even in the frigid winters of Jeju Island, the precious Jeju orchids blooms with an antioxidant, flavonoids, and vitality, making it an effective ingredient for skincare. We extract the essence of every part from root to petal to create this 2.0 highly concentrated, optimized complex that can help address early signs of aging to reveal a youthful looking glow. And I only have 2 more things, I swear. And I liked, the bag was pretty cute. And this, oh, I had a sample from this from Sephora, and I really like this. I think if you put in Innisfree on Sephora.com, you can pick through their different masks if they're not already sold out. And I really liked the Pore Clearing Clay Mask 2 times with super volcanic clusters. This made my face so freaking soft. It gets all the gunk out of your face, and it made my face like so soft after I used it. The Sephora one comes in like, it was an interesting sample that it came in like this plasticky with a tube on the end, and you can get 2 uses out of that sample. And this mask is 3.38 fluid ounce, so it's this big. I usually use the Origins one, but I've used that one for like 12-15 years, so I thought I would give this brand a try. And the last thing that I got is the Vitalizing Skin Mist with Aloe. I walked around the store 4 times looking for this because I wanted to try it so freaking bad. It's just a good refresher for during the day. I have dry skin, so I thought this would be a good thing to try. And this is for 0.05 fluid ounces. And let me get my receipt so I can tell you all the prices. The clay mask was $15. The eye cream for the Orchid was $29. I think it's weird that the eye cream and the face cream are the same exact price. They're $29. And the eye cream is 50 milliliters. Or no, the face cream is 50 milliliters. And the eye cream, let's see. Oh, here it is. It's 30 milliliters. And the Biocellulose mask was $6. The little capsule, little tub-like masks for $3.50. The Aloe Revitalizing Skin Mist was $13. The hand cream was only $5. And the My Real Squeeze mask was, I think that's the cream one, was only $1.80. So I spent $119 on all this stuff. So I'll report back on each and every product probably down the line after I test them for a while. And that's it for my haul from New York City. Please let me know if you've ever tried anything from this brand or anything from Inglot that you like. Thanks. Remember to subscribe. Bye.